Lean-to greenhouses are one of the best ways to get a garden going when you need total control over your environment but don't have enough space for a large and freestanding greenhouse. Side-of-house greenhouses have 3 sides instead of the traditional 4. Lean-to greenhouses are called this because they are made to lean against an existing wall that completes the construction. Lean-to greenhouses are easy to install, affordable, and popular as an easy, eco-friendly greenhouse option. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best lean-to greenhouses. Let's get started. Number 5. Aosom Canopia Hybrid Lean-to Greenhouse. One of the most dependable greenhouses available is the Aosom Hybrid Lean-to. Aosom has made a name for itself as a consumer brand by offering reasonably priced, high-quality items. This lean-to greenhouse has a smart structure that offers good visibility and 90% light transmission. The product is 4 feet by 8 feet and is made of aluminum and polycarbonate. This ensures strength and makes it less likely than glass to break under pressure. The roof panels made of 4 mm double-wall crystal polycarbonate are also virtually indestructible and can block up to 99.9% of UV rays. Every gardener would adore this feature. Furthermore, several vents on the roof enable the greenhouse's ventilation to be controlled and extra humidity to be removed. Number 4. Ogro Aluminum Lean-to Greenhouse Kit. The Ogro Aluminum Lean-to Greenhouse Kit makes one of the best simple walk-in greenhouses on a budget. Made by one of the best manufacturers in garden equipment, it's guaranteed to keep your plants away from potential harm and under ideal conditions. The Ogro Lean-to Greenhouse has been made from only the highest quality aluminum and glass. Its frame has been coated to ensure anti-rust even when subjected to daily humidity, while the glass guarantees to block off most of the harmful UV rays from your plants. It's light but guaranteed to be almost indestructible thanks to superior construction and high-quality material. Shelving is included with the greenhouse, though there's more than enough space to install more if you like. There's a total space of more than 25 square feet to work with, which makes this greenhouse comparatively larger than others at this price point. Number 3. Vivian Mini Lean-to Greenhouse. The Vivian Mini Lean-to Greenhouse measures in at 39.9 inch x 78.7 inches by 82.6 inches, and it makes one of the best small greenhouses for starter and amateur gardeners who need a great small eco-friendly greenhouse. The Vivian is made from high-quality paneled glass and finished with a strong aluminum frame that's guaranteed to withstand even the toughest storms. A singular roof vent provides the gardener with extra control over their environment. Extra shelving is included in the Vivian so that gardeners have enough space to plant everything they need. More shelving can be bought on request if you need to. While small, the Vivian Mini Greenhouse is extremely well built and made to last for a long time into the future. All Vivian products guarantee only the best quality materials and come with a 10-year warranty. Number 2. Eagle Peak Outdoor Lean Greenhouse. More than 892 5-star reviews praise the Eagle Peak Outdoor Lean Greenhouse for its portability. If you need a greenhouse with an intuitive design, the Eagle Peak Greenhouse is one of the best options. You may do the full installation yourself, and the setup doesn't require much time. This compact greenhouse model is built of alloy steel, which gives it the necessary solidity and measures 6.6 feet by 3.3 feet by 6.9 feet. The powder-coated steel frame further increases the product's overall longevity. You will also receive UV protection and a water-resistant cover to protect your plants all year long. Further, this lean-to greenhouse allows the correct amount of sunlight to penetrate to maintain a high humidity level and warmth. Simple wire shelves are included in the box. There is, however, plenty of room to add extra shelves. In addition, this greenhouse only has a basic zipper closure, not a door. Last but not least, you will receive a primary user warranty to protect the greenhouse parts from damage. Number 1. Eagle Peak Walk-in Greenhouse. The second Eagle Peak product on our list is this one. This lean-to greenhouse is simple to erect and includes a PE covering that protects your plants from the effects of the elements. In actuality, it requires no assembly and is ready to use right out of the box. Simply slide the frame open and fasten the greenhouse PE fabric. This Eagle Peak greenhouse is portable and comes with a lock canopy frame set. You also have the choice of installing hanging planters in addition to installing shelves. This is possible because this greenhouse's frame is equipped with hooks. This item was selected for our list because it is reliable, compact, and excellent for both novice and seasoned gardeners. Did we also mention the mesh fabric is environmentally friendly? Therefore, with this product, you can relax knowing that both the world and your plants are in good hands. Lastly, you'll be impressed by the greenhouse's 2 doors for simple access. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.